Let's start question number 3, right? So, question number 3, first part we'll discuss, right? The first part is 2 log 3 minus half log 16 plus log 12. Okay, this is the question. Now we know that we can only use the law of logarithm when we have the coefficient as 1. So here, here, and here, the number should be same, right? But here all the numbers are different. So what we will do, we know that whenever we have something, so we take the coefficient. Whenever we have the coefficient, so we take this coefficient as the power. So it becomes log 3 raised to the power 2. It becomes log 16 raised to the power half, and there is nothing, so plus log 12. Now we know that it is 9. We know that 16 we can write as this, and we have this. So it becomes 4 and plus log 12. So now they both are in minus. So what we can do, we can divide them. So that is the law of logarithm. When we have something in subtraction, we just divide the numbers, and this is this. Now they are in plus. So when they are in plus, we can multiply. So it gives me how much? 3. So it becomes log 27, right? It becomes log 27. So that's the final answer. We can't solve it further. So this is the uh, third question, first part, right? So let's talk about the second question. Second question is half log 36 plus 2 log 8 minus log 1.5. So we know that when we have to apply the law of logarithm, these numbers should be same, but they all are different. Nothing is there, so 1 is here. So to make it same, what we will do, we'll take these numbers as the power. So it becomes the power of 36. It becomes the power of 8. And there is nothing, so it will be the same. Now we know that 36 we can write at 6 raised to the power 2. And already we have the power half. So it will cancel out. So if we got 6 plus 8 we can write as, we know that we can 8 is 2 root 2 wholes, 2 root 2 only. Why 8 is 2 root 2? If we'll take the LCM, so it will be 2, 4, 2, and 2. So one pair will come outside, and there is no pair here, so it will be 2 root 2 only. So it becomes 2 root 2 whole square and minus 1.5, right? After that, we know that we can apply directly the law. So they are in plus, so log, we can multiply them. So or you do just don't write it just okay, wait, just do one thing. Don't write it as like this, just write 64. Okay, it is 64. 8 square 64. 64 and log 1.5. Now they are in minus, so we can easily divide them. So now we can sort out it. So 3 times 2, 3 times 0.5, and we can't solve it further. So it becomes 128 divided by 5. 10 we will point we will not take right now. So it becomes 5 to 10, and 5 to 10, and 5 525, and 5 6 30. So it's 25.6, and we know that, so it's 25.6, and there is also one more 10, so it will be log 256, right? Because point and 10 will cancel out, so it will be log 256, right? So let's talk about the third part. Third part is 7 log 16 by 15 plus 5 log 25 by 24 plus 3 log 81 by 80. We know that the numbers are not same. So what we will do, we'll take it as a power. So it becomes 16 by 15 raised to the power 7 plus log 25 by 24 raised to the power 5 plus log 81 by 80 raised to the power 3. Now, how to sort it? We directly convert it. We know that they all are in plus and their coefficients are same. We can apply the law of logarithm. In plus, we just multiplied them. So 16 raised to the power 7 and 15 raised to the power 7. Multiply 25 raised to the power 5 and 24 raised to the power 5, and multiply 81 raised to the power 3 and 80 raised to the power 3, right? Now we'll sort out it. Sort out how? 16 we can write as 2 raised to the power 4, and 17 is outside. So 2 times 68, right? 15 we can write as 3 times 5. So we can break it 3 raised to the power 7 and 5 raised to the power 7. 25 you can break as 5 raised to the power 2 and already there is a 5 power. So it's 5 to 10. 24 I can write as 4 times, 2 raised to the power 3 times, 3. Because 2 times 2 is 8 and 8 times 3 is 24. And already we have a power 5. So 2 raised to the power 15 and 3 raised to the power 5. 81 I can write as 3 raised to the power 4. Already there is a power, so it becomes 12. 80 I can write as 2 raised to the power 4 times 5 because 2 raised to the power 4 is 16 and 16 times 5 is 80. So already there is a power 3. So it becomes 12 and it becomes this. Now after that we just have to cancel out whatever is required. So 5 we just collect them. 2 raised to the power 68, 5 raised to the power 10, 3 raised to the power 12. 12 divided by, this is 3, this is 3. So it brings 12. This is 5 and this is 5. So it's 5 raised to the power 10 and we have 2 which is 27. 2 raised to the power 27, right? So let's see. Um, some mistake should be there because sorry, it's 28. Sorry, it's 28, right? Because 2 is power 4 times 7 is 28. So this cancel with this with this. Now you are left with, so here we have 24 and here we have 27. So 24, 28, sorry. So 28 cancels out. So you are left with only 1, 2 because above we have 28 twos and below we have 27 twos. So one is left above. So it's log 2, the final answer. So that's part third, the whole question with 3 parts. So yeah, thank you.